Namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel Prakashika. Let us continue with our series of digital image processing MATLAB. At the end of previous video, I had asked for two questions. We will discuss the first question in another video. We will find the answer to this question. What does pixel in an image indicate? Are you trying to refer to a location, or are we trying to refer to a value at that particular location? Both. We know the definition of image, that an image is a two-dimensional function, f of x comma y, where x and y are for spatial coordinates, and the value at that particular coordinate, x comma y, f, is nothing but the amplitude or the intensity. There is no correct answer for this question. All the answers hold good depending upon the context. However, if you want to pinpoint one answer in a generic manner, the answer would be both. Whenever we are trying to tell pixel, we are referring to both value as well as location. And for example, I have opened an image tool in MATLAB. How to open MATLAB and image tool and upload video, we have seen in the previous video. Do check out that video. Here I have put just a screenshot of the image tool and the uploaded image. At the bottom, if you see, it is pixel info x comma y intensity. It is not just x comma y or intensity. It is x comma y, the location or the spatial coordinates, and the value at that particular location, which we are calling it as intensity. So this entire pixel info includes all these uh, three values or two components. One is the location component and the other one is the value component, which is stored as a structure. If you try to link data structure, how it is stored internally, this is how it will be stored. So the answer is both. It is not just the location or the value, it is both. However, it also varies based on certain context. When we are trying to tell pixel is surrounded by brighter pixel, we are referring to only the location x comma y. When we are trying to tell, for example, say the pixel is bright, then we are talking about the value. The colors values are high range. So that time we are talking only about the value rather than value at some particular location. So it could mean both. That is the generic answer. However, based on the context we are trying to tell, it could mean only one thing. So as I just said, image is represented as a function, two-dimensional function of f of x comma y. Mathematically, what is this? Okay, x and y are nothing but spatial coordinates. So we have the height and width of the image. We have an index for row and column. I is the index usually corresponding to the x coordinate, which varies from 1 to m, where m is the number of rows, and j is the index corresponding to the y coordinate, which varies from 1 to n, where n is the number of columns or the width. And when we call f of I j, it is the value at that position I comma j. Thank you. See you in the next video.